everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Winterberry wallet by Blue Cala. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this wallet. So in the front here, you have this really nice kind of swooping line here. It's really decorative with a magnetic snap. And this slip pocket here, it may fit a smaller cell phone. Mine is a ginormous cell phone. It definitely doesn't fit, but you could slip in anything there that you need easy access to. On the back, we have a zipper pocket, which is quite large. On the top, you have another zipper pocket. And held together with magnetic snaps here and here, it opens up nice and flat to 16 card slots. Wait, 1, 2, 3. I lied. 1, 2, 3. 12 card slots and 2 very large slip pockets on either side. This is such a cute wallet. I said it's a larger wallet. It can be almost like a clutch even for when you don't want to be carrying a bag. You just want to take all the necessities and go. Anyways, if you'd like to order one of these in your choices of vinyls or fabrics or what have you, or to match one of your bags you already have an order, you know what to do. All my information is down below. Get a hold of me. We can get a custom one ordered for you. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.